Satellites are littering our solar system at a rapid speed. Unless countries overcome their differences and regulate the use of satellites, we are all headed for trouble. It's getting crowded up there and awfully dangerous. By up there, we mean space and not the far off areas that concern astronomers and science fiction, but the closer orbits where we humans keep putting our satellites. As satellites crash or break down, their flotsam and jetsam creates belt of derbies, shooting into other satellites, rockets and space vehicles. Some orbits could eventually become unusable. That would be a disaster. It could even start a war. What scholars call the tragedy of the common is what results when we ruin something because we all profit from exploiting it. Classic examples include overgrazing public land, overfishing the ocean, and polluting the atmosphere. We have launched thousands of satellites into space and keeping adding more. SpaceX has put up more than 1,000 just in the past year. These objects collide, malfunction, and misbehave in other ways. As a result, about 28,000 fragments of junk are zipping around in space, and that count includes only what we can track. Statistically, models suggest that almost a million objects the size of hand grenades are orbiting the Earth. In space, many millions of bullet-sized things are floating around, owing to their astronomical speeds. Even those small pellets can take out an astronaut, a satellite, or even the International Space Station. Besides breaking physical damage, these junk create other problems. Electromagnetic radiation, radio frequency interference, scattering light, man-made dust make telescopes ineffective. Even more ominously, space is nowadays also the fifth domain of warfare. Alongside land, sea, air, and cyberspace, the US, Russia, and China are arming themselves to take out each other's satellites offensively. The new weaponry includes physical missile, laser, electronic jamming, and cyber attacks. Cooperation is the only way forward. The major power must elevate space governance to the level of other threats to humanity, from climate change to nuclear proliferation. This article is taken from Bloomberg Opinion. For more details, you can log into it. You are watching Smart Update, #stay updated. I will catch you in the next one. For more informative video, you can sub to the channel. Also, don't forget to like and share.